In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to send big documents by email. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be presenting the options that you have to send big documents with an email address. So as you might be aware, whenever you try to attach a large document to an email, regardless of the service, like Gmail, Outlook, Hotmail, Yahoo, and so on, they will most likely give you a warning if your file is larger than roughly 20 to 25 megabytes. This is to prevent sending too large of files with emails because they transfer a lot of data daily. So if you try to load a file like this, in Gmail in particular, they are going to offer to create a link in Google Drive. So this is actually the option that I recommend. The best workaround to this is to upload the big document or the big file that you want to send in another service, which can be Google Drive, but other services will exist, such as Dropbox as well. And once the document is uploaded in there, then the recipient can go over to that link and download it. So if you are doing this through Gmail, or even if you aren't, you can still use Google Drive. This is what I would recommend. If you try to attach the file, you will get this pop-up. Click OK, got it, and it is going to be uploaded into a Google Drive link. Then what you can do is copy this link and share it with other people. In this case, it actually simply uploaded it onto the email itself. So with this done, all that they would have to do is to click this link and they would immediately be redirected into Google Drive. However, if the email service that you are using does not provide this option, then you will have to manually go over to drive.google.com or any other service such as Dropbox and create a new folder or a new file uploaded here. Once you have the folder created, you can right-click it, go to the Share option, and then select Share. By sharing this with other people, they will be able to access this link and download the files inside. You can make it so anyone with the link has access to it, so you don't have to add them using their email address. Make sure that they are an editor if you would like them to edit the files. And once you copy this link and share it with other people, they will be able to change and download the files as needed. I hope I was able to help you on how to send big documents by email. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.